The implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area and strengthening of the regional trade blocs will open up the manufacturing sectors of African countries. Principal Secretary in the State Department for Industry, Dr. Juma Mukhwana, says the continent lags behind in manufacturing, with only 20% of products consumed in Africa being manufactured locally.
African countries have been urged to invest in the manufacturing sector, which is a key catalyst for economic growth and trade in the continent. PS Mukhwana said there is need for expansion of the manufacturing sector in a bid to integrate the continent in the global market.
If you look at the African continent in general, most of our countries, the average is that we are manufacturing only about 20% of what we need, and we are importing 80%. The best country in Africa in terms of manufacturing is only doing about 30% manufacturing, 70% import.
He further highlighted the importance of increasing intra-African trade as a key step toward achieving economic growth.
The young people are not employed because we have exported all the jobs to other continents. I don't agree that we as Africans don't have money to invest in manufacturing. It is just that manufacturing is not part of our priority.
This, he said, would be achieved through allowing free movement of Africans across the continent to promote local production and marketing of goods and services.
If there is one message that we need to take to the Africans, is that we really need to love each other. We need to be less suspicious of each other. We need to work together better. We need to trade with each other.
Calls were also made for enhanced testing of locally manufactured products to meet international standards as a key step in boosting global manufacturing competitiveness.
Facilitating intra-Africa trade through competent testing solutions speaks to an important agenda of enabling Africa to trade more effectively with itself by ensuring that the quality of products from goods to services meets the standards necessary for competitive participation in both regional and global markets.
John Kahiro, Prime Edition.